Hello friends, in this lecture we are going to learn about logarithm formulas. See, these are the formulas we are using for solving all type of logarithm problems. In first lecture we already learned if a power of x equal to n, if we convert this as logarithm, what it will happen? Log n base a equal to x. So we will use this formula to prove all above formulas. See, logₐ base a equal to 1. We already know what is a power of 1 equal to a. If we convert this as logarithm, what will happen? Logₐ base a equal to 1. Log1 base a equal to 0. Let a power of 0 equal to 1. We already know this formula. If we convert this as logarithm, log1 base a equal to 0. Third one, a power of logₐm base a equal to m. Let's say logₐm base a equal to x. Therefore, a power of x equal to m. Okay. See, a power of x equal to m we get. What is the x value? X value equal to logₐm base a. We will substitute this form, the above value. A power of logₐm base a equal to m. Hence we proved a power of logₐm base a equal to m. Let's discuss fourth one. Logₐmn base a equal to logₐm base a plus logₐn base a. Let logₐm base a equal to x. If we convert it as power, a power of x equal to m. Similarly, let logₐn base a equal to y. Therefore, a power of y equal to n. See, let's multiply m into n. M into n equal to a power of x into a power of y equal to a power of x plus y. Convert it as logarithm. Log_m into n base a equal to x plus y. Therefore, log_mn base a equal to x plus y. What is the x value? X value is logₐm base a. Logₐm base a plus y value logₐn base a. See fifth one. Log_m by n base a equal to logₐm base a minus logₐn base a. Let logₐm base a equal to x. Therefore, a power of x equal to m. Logₐn base a equal to y. A power of y equal to n. Therefore, m by n equal to a power of x by a power of y equal to how much? A power of x minus y. Apply log. Log m by n base a equal to x minus y. What is the x value? Logₐm base a. Y value logₐn base a.